In this video, I will show you how to sum up numbers in Bash. This will include the use of addition arithmetic operator and Bash scripts, as I will show you some examples to show how to sum up numbers in Bash. So let's get started. In the first method, I will talk about how to sum up numbers using the declare command. So let's see how it works. So I'll use the declare command obviously. So I'll write declare. Now I want to define an integer variable. So I will use the option I, define the variable. My variable name will be a, which will be set to the summation of 2 plus 8. So here I am adding two numbers, which is 2 and 8. Now I will hit enter. The result of the summation will be stored in the variable a, but it won't show any output now because I'm not printing it. I have to use the echo command to print the result in the terminal. So I'll use echo, and to access the variable a, I'll use $sign, then the name of the variable, which is a. As you can see, the result of the summation is printed in the terminal, which is 10. Now I will talk about the second method, where I will show you how to use arithmetic expansion to sum up integer numbers. So let's see how it works. For this method, I have already created a script named addNum.sh. Here I have started with the shebang line, then defined two numbers which will be taken by user prompt. The first number is stored in the variable num1 and the second number is stored in the variable num2. Both will be taken through user inputs. Then in this line, I have defined a variable sum which is set to arithmetic expansion, where I have used a $sign, then double parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I have just added the two numbers. This will be further expanded and the value will be stored in the sum variable. Next, I want to print the result, so I have written an echo statement which will print the result of the summation. Now let's see how the output looks. Now I will execute the script. First, I'll provide the executable file permission. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, it asks me to enter the first number, so I'll enter 10, and also the second number, so I'll enter 20. And the result of the summation of 10 and 20 is 30. Next, I'll talk about the third method, where I will show you how to sum up float numbers or floating point numbers using the bc command. So let's see how it works. So here I have already created a script named addFloat.sh. Now I will explain the code. I have started with the shebang line, then I have defined two floating point numbers, num1 and num2, which will be inputted from the user through user prompt. Next, I have used an arithmetic expansion, the two numbers using addition operator, and piped the result to the bc command for the floating point operation. And lastly, I have accessed the variable sum to print the result. Now let's see how the output works. Now I will execute the script. First, I'll provide the executable file permission using the chmod command. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, it tells me to enter the first number. So I'll be entering a floating point number, which is 2.5. And the next number will be 7.5. So the summation of 2.5 and 7.5 is 10.0. So that was all for this video. If you want to study further, please refer to the article provided in the description below. Also, the script files will be provided to be downloaded. Thank you for watching.